In this video, you'll learn how to make your website multilingual so you can speak to your visitors in any language. Inside the editor, go to Settings and select Multilingual. Click Get Started and choose your main language and location. Then, select the language you want to add first and its flag. You can always add more languages later. Great, you've added multilingual to your site. This is the language menu your visitors will see. You can customize the design and move it anywhere on your site. When visitors click on it, they can choose their language. Back in the editor, you'll see a flag in the top left corner. Here, you can switch languages to edit the text and images. Now, select the text and click Translate. It works the same for a button. Just click the button and select Translate. You can even localize images. Just click the image and select Translate, then Change Image. To translate your menu, select Menus and Pages on the left-hand side, click the three dots icon and click Rename. Then type in your new text. If you add something new or change your design, you'll see it in all languages. Click Preview and switch languages to see how it looks. When you switch back to English, you'll see the text and images have stayed the same. To manage your languages, go to the flag and click Manage Languages. Here, you can easily add a language and show it on your website. Once your language is live, head back to the editor and publish your site so visitors can see it. And that's it. Now you can translate your website into any language with Multilingual. This video is always here, so come back and watch again for more help.